Hello, hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I'm going to share with you how to crochet the sides of a basket. If you watched my last tutorial, we talked about how to create a flat circle, and now we're going to turn that corner and start working that flat circle into the sides of a basket. This is a really fun technique that makes for a really nice edge around the bottom of your basket and nice straight sides for the basket. Let's go. All right, this basket right here is my first bud basket, and it is the basic basket shape with this fun little floral edging around it. But what I'm going to show you today is how to turn from the circular bottom of the basket to working the sides up. This is, friends, one of the coolest things about crochet is that you can just go in so many directions. I love this specific technique for taking this turn because it leaves this cute little braided edge. I love that detail. So I am going to, I have here, I should say, uh, my, the world's tiniest basket bottom. And that's because for this demonstration, we don't need a giant basket, right? So you've worked your rounds to make the circular bottom of your basket, or I mean, it could be whatever shape you're working in. And now you're going to start working up, right? You've got the flat bottom, and now you want to start working upwards to build the sides of your basket. So I have finished my round there and joined it. What I'm going to do is I am going to chain one, and then I'm going to start working my stitches around, not through where I normally would, but around the very top. You can see these stitches are double crochets that I've made the bottom circle with. It's not a typical post stitch. A post stitch you would work around down here. If you do that, you're going to shrink the central part of your basket, and it's going to be set back a little bit from these stitches. So you're going to want to go up higher, and you're going to place your hook from back to front and back again through just right around the very tippy top of your stitch. And I'm going to work half double crochet. So I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to go from behind at the very top of my stitch and then to the back. I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop, and then I'm going to work my half double crochet. And you're just going to continue to do that all the way around. Again, I want to show you, right? I'm going right through there. So I'm going to yarn over for my half double crochet. I'm going to go from the back right through that little hole there at the very tippy top of my stitch, back to front. Same thing on the other side, right through the very tippy top, front to back, yarn over, pull up your loop, and I'm going to complete my half double crochet. Now I do want to warn you, oh boy, friends, whenever we start something brand new, right? It's so easy to make all your stitches super tight, right? We're tense about trying something new, but try to loosen yourself up a little bit, wiggle it out. Because if you make these super tight, then you're going to squish in your basket and it's going to tend to roll up. So keep it loose, going through the very top, back to front, very top, front to back, pull up your loop, keep it loose, and finish your half double crochet. And you're just going to continue to do that all the way around. Right around the very tippy top of those stitches and complete your half double crochet. Right around and half double crochet. And you're just going to keep going and going and going until you reach the other side. All right, I've got just 2 stitches left here. So again, working in the very tippy top of my stitches, front to back, back to front, pull up a loop, finish my half double crochet. Last one can be a little tighter getting through. That's okay. Just don't let it make your stitch too tight. And then you're going to slip stitch to join. And now you're just going to continue. You're working up now. So you're just going to continue working up, 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 up to make the sides of your basket. Now you can see mine is a little tight. As you work the sides of your basket up, this is not the time to panic, I guess is what I'm saying. This is not the time to panic. As you work your sides up, it will settle into itself a little more. And if it continues to be a problem with your bottom kind of rolling in on itself, a little bit of steam, friends, it'll do miracles. And so then you just keep working stitches in all of your stitches to build the sides of your basket. And that is how you crochet the sides of a basket. Such a fun technique. I love having handmade baskets around my house to store things in, maybe even some yarn. I hope you use and love this technique too. Go ahead and check out the description below for other tutorials related to this one, as well as patterns that use this technique. It is always my goal to help you grow confidently in your craft, and I hope that this video has done it. If you liked this video, I would love it if you would like it. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any other videos I share. It would be wonderful if you would share this video with a friend who might also enjoy making a basket. Thank you so much for joining me today, and happy crafting!